How to withdraw RRSP from SIMPLII. Log into your SIMPLII account on the official website. Navigate to the Investment or RRSP section of your account. Locate the option to withdraw funds from your RRSP account. Review the terms and conditions related to RRSP withdrawals carefully. Select the amount you wish to withdraw from your RRSP account. Choose the withdrawal method such as electronic transfer. Provide any necessary information for the withdrawal process. Confirm the withdrawal request and review the details for accuracy. Wait for confirmation of the withdrawal request from SIMPLII. Receive the withdrawn fund according to the selected withdrawal method. Hope you understood the entire topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.